I'm having some more fun in the kitchen. It's Monday and had a bit of a funny start to today, I have to admit. But anyway, I'm trying to clean out my freezer and I've got a few things in there that I'm thinking, oh, I'm not very much inspired. But right now, I'm actually I'm actually using a product I didn't think I'd use this for, but I'll show you. These are vegetarian, so they're soy-based hamburger patties. Now they're not minced, but they look like it, don't they? They look like minced meat. And often on a Monday, my husband's used to having a pasta meal, mainly spaghetti, because we were in a routine. Well, we're totally out of that routine now, and the spaghetti and the macaroni meals have kind of just come and gone as they just happen. And it hasn't been, I haven't had any pasta for a while. But anyway, I didn't have any minced meat. I did have these patties and I just wanted to use them up. So this is what I've done with them. I have chopped them up into small pieces. In here I have a red paprika, I have garlic, and I have onion. And as soon as this is cooked a little bit more, actually I nearly did burn it, but as soon as this cooked a wee bit more, I'll be adding peeled tomatoes. Yep. There you go, see? The tomatoes in. Oh, this is going to be rather delicious. Smelling good already. Just curious, who else takes the base out of their can after they've used it so that they can flatten it and put it in the rubbish and it takes up less space? Just wondering. My mother always used to do that and I've kind of picked up the habit. So, I don't know, I'd just take the base out and put the top and the bottom in the can and then flatten it. You've just got one flat piece to go into the recycle bin. So just a thought, easy peasy, and it just goes into the bin now. And then I will get some pasta and I will add the pasta. And I have got some grated cheese still, so I will put it on a dish, cover it with grated cheese, and I will put it in the oven. Now, as a side, this is all the lettuce I've got. Is about a quarter of a lettuce, and I've got some silver skin onions and one tomato and a few slices of radish, little cubes of cheese. So I'll make 3 individual salad bowls. Now, how's that for a flash dinner on a Monday? The pasta is cooked. Now, I've not cooked this pasta before, well, not that it's more difficult, but I've never seen it before. My husband came home with it when he went shopping recently, and he said, oh, look at this funny pasta. It's just little short bits. Where's my camera? Just little short bits. So now, I'll add the meat mixture. There we go. Time to give it a mix. Here we are, well mixed. Time for the cheese. Okay, in the oven it goes. See you later. And one of the things I like about meals like this is the kitchen's already tidy. So that once I've had dinner, the boys, my brother-in-law and my husband, they clear the table, they put the dishes in the dishwasher, and I'm done. Kitchen closed. So, how about that? Salad and a main meal, and the boys always have a bit of a dessert. Nothing flash, but they just can't seem to feel like they've had a proper dinner until they've had dessert. So, but that's up to them. I don't do that. They can make their own. That's my Monday fix-it. Yeah, I know. It's just, you know, you've got more in your cupboard than you think. So this is a fun meal. I probably will never make it again, but, you know, I'll have used up my meat patties and we'll have had our pasta.
weer met woensdag wat regen, nog een paar winterse buien wellicht. En daarna wordt het weer wat rustiger en de temperatuur die blijft ongeveer dezelfde gemiddelde niveau.
Groningen ontvindt de nieuwe staatssecretaris van gaswinning. Daarmee zijn we dit rasje van 6 uur begonnen. Staatssecretaris Vel.
Happy Monday, and hope you have a good week.